Today we will discuss about the structure of the ear. The function of the ear not only hearing but also maintaining equilibrium. Equilibrium means balancing of our body like running, standing and talking etc. Ear is three dividing parts. One, external ear, visible part of the ear. Second, middle ear, not visible part of the ear. Third, inner ear or internal ear. This is external ear. This is middle ear. This is inner ear or internal ear. This is external ear. This is middle ear. This is inner ear or internal ear. This is external ear. This is middle ear. This is inner ear or internal ear. Now we explain external ear. External ear is visible part of the ear and either sides of the head. It is flap-like structure called pinna. It leads ear canal. This is ear canal. The pinna is crumpled and made up of cartilage. Cartilage is one type of connective tissue. Pinna has two types of glands. One ceruminous, second sebaceous. Ceruminous producing wax-like substances. Sebaceous producing oil-like substances. This is helpful to keep the ear canal lubricated. Thus prevent dust and other particles entering into the ear canal. Canal are known as auditory meatus. A thin layer called tympanum or eardrum present end of the auditory meatus. It is located between the external ear and middle ear. It is cone-shaped and narrow area connected to the first bone of the middle ear. I have explained middle ear. This is middle ear. Middle ear plays amplifying the vibrations received the tympanum. Middle ear have three bones. This is first bone malleus. This is second bone incus. This is third bone stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone of our body. This is oval. Oval window is one type of membrane covered ending of the middle ear. This is round window. Middle ear opens into the inner ear through round window. We will discuss about inner ear. Inner ear consists of bony limb encloses the membranes limb. What we observed in the picture, purple is bony limb, blue is membranes limb. Bony limb covers the membrane limb. The membranes limb consists of vestibule. Second one is semicircular canals, 3. Third one, cochlear. The interior part of the vestibule is sacculus. The posterior part of the vestibule is nutriculus. The semicircular canals connected to the vestibule and filled with endolimbo. Vestibular and semicirculars are known as the vestibular apparatus. This is saccular, which is nutriculus. Nerve fibers from nutricular nerves and saccular nerves form the vestibular nerves. It is maintain equilibrium, balance of our body. Cochlea has spiral-shaped structure. Cochlea has 3 parallel tubes. First one is scala vestibule, second one is scala media, third one is scala tympani. This is scala tympani. This is scala vestibule. This is scala media. Scala vestibule, scala media separated by vestibular membrane. Scala media, scala tympani separated by base layer membrane. Scala vestibule, scala tympani is filled with perilymph. Scala media filled with endolymph. Cochlear nerve fibers form cochlear nerve, vestibular nerve and cochlear nerve joins together and